Hey, it's me, the wonderful. See, here is the people. My father, they're supposedly my real parents. I believe so because they don't look like my real parents or the parents I have now. My mom had a woman and she died, and my grandma never explained too much about it. But she told me that she died when she was a baby, and now I'm starting to think that she died when I was born or something. They died in a car accident or something. Or they even died by ETA or something. Or I don't know. I remember um, waking up in a school and seeing the death of Diana. And I was very young. And Diana had a first will and he had a divorce. And I don't know if I have to do with Diana or not. It doesn't make sense. But my parents keep saying that there is a king who lives in normal family, but my family is not normal, so maybe it's wrong. Um. Anyway, so I don't know. I mean, so having this picture who is my parents, and they're obviously when the 91 when my brother was born, and the 78 is when they were born or something. Uh, I don't know. I think it's time for that to talk about the past and don't lie to me because nothing makes sense. Nothing makes sense at all. And 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 the truth is that I have lived with these parents for a while, and I don't like how they treat me and how I live in with them. And I have worked for several companies. In fact, I don't know if I have worked for a plane company. And this sentence I keep saying all the time was, passengers proceed on gate number 345 and mind the step. It was passengers mind the step or something. I don't remember. I keep saying all the time the same sentence, and they record it and they call me via the phone. I have to make the voice, and sometimes I was in the middle of nowhere or pooing or something. They call me anytime, no time as no place. And I don't know if what my friends making fun of me. I was working for an airplane company or something. I even went once for a plane and he started making the voice and I don't know. I mean, the thing was I did start working and I asked for the question was that I get paid for having a house in New York where Caitlin of the Hills lived, and she will have free planes and roses, and he get every week a piece of roses. And there were a woman who get a friend of my mom who was called Sonia, and I hate her so much because she was manipulative and she received hundreds of roses sent by me, and she believes she had a boyfriend and he divorced from his husband. And the truth is that um I don't know. I mean, it doesn't make sense, and all this story doesn't make sense. Even my entrance in Google now in IKEA, where I was drawing in the middle of nowhere, and I don't remember how old I was and what point of my life, but I think I have finished. It was tons of years ago, at least 2 or 3 years ago. I started working at IKEA, and things changed for me because I had the blog and I have to check if the blog has a date because it has a date and I can check when I started, and I will see. Maybe I will check now. Wait, you're not gonna see what I'm checking. Okay. In Okay, it's here, I believe. Maybe I remove it from here. Okay, I here. And the date. This one is not the other one. Alright. No, it's not longer here. I will check. More comes from Google. Alright. I don't have my blog. Okay. I will put here PRs. Okay. Here. I don't have the fucking thing for saying how old I am. Maybe I'll enter the YouTube thing. Okay. Hmm. I don't find it. Hmm. Maybe here with the statistic. Okay. No, I don't want that. Alright. I started the 2 or the 3 of 2013, which it makes sense. and it's, yeah, I started in March, and it was 2014. I have the blog. Um, I don't know. I mean, I have checked everything. I don't know why I put the headphones on. And honestly, I have 3 subscribers in my channel of YouTube, and I have more Twitter followers, and and some people watch on. People like what I say writing, but they don't like to hear my voice talking about stuff and talking. I start every video differently, and honestly, I don't know why I have less views. I used to have a lot because I was the boyfriend of Eric too, and I was responding, and when every time I do a video response, I get lots of views. And I had like 100 viewers for a video every consistent, and 20 videos views every time. But at the time I had a Mac. I didn't have a Mac. I didn't have auto share, which is the thing who move the views from my blogs. That people see the previews because they don't buy the book. They simply sneak the peek out of it. And and sometimes when you share your computer with someone, you tend to have a view for everyone. So I don't know. So let's see what you wanna hear. Let's be you.